welcome back to Asian Home Kitchen. My dish today is for creamy noodle lover. I would like to say let's make easy Panang noodle soup. Alright, I have a pot. I'm adding cooking oil. Then add 2 tablespoons Panang curry paste. We're gonna stir fry with a little coconut milk. Stir until the aroma comes out. And then add 500 ml coconut milk. Okay, then let it simmer. Once it simmers, we're going to add tablespoon fish sauce, a teaspoon salt, half tablespoon brown sugar, and half tablespoon white sugar. When I cook curry, I like to add palm sugar and white sugar together. It will make the food taste better. Alright, then bring it to a boil. Once it was boiled, add red pepper in the pot just for color. Add some kaffir lime leaf for more aroma, and you can also add sweet basil as well. That's all. We're good now. Okay, to cook the noodles, I'm using Vermicelli noodle. Add the noodle into boiling water. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes or follow the instructions on the package. Once the noodles are cooked, soak them in room temperature water, protecting from overcooking and becoming sticky. So when you are ready to serve, add the noodle in a bowl and pour the soup over the noodles. Add your favorite protein and vegetable. That's all. Your dish is good to go. If you have any comment, please make a comment below this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!